The question says the number of times digit 3 will be written when listing the integers from 1 to 1000 is. So this is a little bit calculative question. Now for the one digit integer we have 3 appearing only once, that is from 1 to 10 we have 3 ones. Now moving on to the 2 digit integers we have 3 in the units place, that is equal to 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, like this up to 9 times. So we have 3 in the units place 9 times. Now moving on 3 to the tens place we have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now this is 3 10 times over here. So we have 10 plus 9 which is equal to 19 times 3 in 2 digit number. Now for 3 digit number we have 3 in hundreds place, that is from 300 to 399. Over here 3 is coming 100 times, so we have 100 for hundreds place, 100 times 3 for hundreds place. Now moving on to the tens place we have 130, 131, 132, 133, like this 10 times 3. Now this 10 times 3 is from 100 to 200. Similarly it will be from 200 to 300, 300 to 400, like this 9 times between 100 to 1000. So we have 10 into 9 which is equal to 90 times 3 in the tens place. Now similarly moving on to the units place we have 113, 123, 133, like this up to 9 times from 100 to 200. So from 100 to 1000 we have 10 times 90 times, that is equal to 100 plus 90 plus 90 which is equal to 280 times 3 in the for 3 digit numbers. Now adding all of this we have 280 plus 19 plus 1 which is equal to 300. So we have 300 times the digit 3 from integers from 1 to 1000.